Hi, thanks for joining us today. What we have for you today is a 2019 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. And although this was a former daily rental, it's only 23,700 kilometers old and also comes with a clean Carfax. Let's go check out the interior now. So inside this RAV, you can see right on the steering wheel, it does have your volume and your track buttons here. This is for your multi-informational display unit here. On the right hand side, you have all of your buttons. This is your dynamic radar cruise control buttons, as well as your lane departure button there as well. You can see it does come with power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Of course, it does have the blind spot monitoring as well, and it also does have the automatic high beams. Nice big display unit. It is the home of your stereo as well as your Bluetooth phone. It's also the home of your backup camera as well. As you can see, it does have heated seats on both the front driver and passenger. You can see the USB port down there for easily charging of your phone. Two different drive options. As you can see, it's been kept in really great shape. So we're just going to look in the back of this RAV here. Those that haven't seen the amount of storage capacity, it has increased for the 2019 year. As you can see, I mean, that's easily a 4 to 5 hockey bagger. And of course, with the 60-40 split in the back seats, you do get some flexibility in not only your seating, but your storage capacity as well. Spare tire, extra mats. Hey, North London Toyota here. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book a test drive on this pre-owned RAV or any of our new or pre-owned stock, feel free to give me a call or a text at any hour at 226-268-3504, or come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. But don't forget to ask for Troy. Thank you so much, everyone. I look forward to working with you. Happy shopping.